today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Procook discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Procook discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Voucher Codes. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if you want to get this 10% discount off your first order, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says Get Code, and this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this promo code on your first order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher Discount. And right here on this website, we also have some promo codes, as you can see, that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says Show Code. And now I'm just going to wait a little bit for the voucher to load up, and after that I should be able to copy the promo code and use it on my next purchase. So we'll wait a little bit right here, and then tap on this pop-up window right here, and this is the promo code that I can simply copy and use it in order to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.